Alright, I am here with another layout. My background is basil cardstock. This is the cherry pie that I cooked for our Thanksgiving meal. Alex's brother's friend, and his dad came here from Miami to spend Thanksgiving with us. They came on Wednesday and then left on a Saturday. So it was nice. And I'm going to have to stop my video and then wait for Theo to leave. And yeah, there was 4 parts to this video. Anyway, so that leaf pattern is from Simple Stories, Cozy Days. And that, I don't use that one. This one, I was going to use this plaid pattern, but then when I went to glue it, to put my glue on, I was like, hey, I prefer the purple. So I ended up using the purple pattern, which is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. Anyway, so while I'm cutting that, and I was pretty proud of myself because I bought a turkey, and it was actually a good price. It was not quite 20 pounds for $15 at Aldi's, and it was the best turkey ever. I found this is my first year cooking the turkey. Usually Alex does, and so we thought out the turkey, and you'll see this picture because that's in my stack of voiceovers I need to do. Is Mateo says, here, I'll put the turkey in the sink to thaw. Okay, and he dropped it in there, and I heard something crack, and I was like, what was that? And then later that night we heard a commotion in the kitchen, only to find that our sink collapsed. And these people, they glued the sink in using these small pieces of tile to glue the sink, because it's an under the counter sink, and so they used liquid nail. Yes, Theo is back in there terrorizing Reese. Theo, leave Reese alone. Theo. Let me go take care of that. Okay. Anyway, so the chipboard frame is from Simple Stories, Cozy Days. I'm trying to make my pie pictures for them because one is landscape, one is portrait. Anyway, so as I was saying, I found a recipe for the turkey, and this was my first time cooking it, so I decided to cook it the night before. So I cooked it Wednesday night, and everybody was gone. Alex took them to the store, I think, and so, oh no, I know what they did. Mateo was, no, because that was Thursday. So Wednesday they went to the store, I think. Anyway, so they were gone, and I found a recipe using brown sugar, egg whites, and some cinnamon. No, not cinnamon. Cinnamon? I think so. Brown sugar, cinnamon, salt. And you're actually supposed to, it was a dry rub, and you're actually supposed to do this a few hours, I think, before you cook it, but I just rubbed it on there, and then I brushed on the brown sugar mix, and it turned out, you'll see it, I have a layout of my turkey, and it came out the most golden brown, and it tasted amazing. Anyway, so I cooked the turkey, then I had ham, I made green bean casserole, I made apple pie, cherry pie, mashed potatoes. Using the turkey drippings, I made gravy. Oh my gosh, that was the best gravy. Oh my word. I made pigs in the blanket. And I think that was it. Alex is like, it's just us, right? I started cooking at 9 in the morning and finished at 1:30. But I cooked the whole entire Thanksgiving meal by myself. The men just lazed about, and I slaved in the kitchen. But anyway, so let me get back. The gingham layer is Simple Stories Cozy Days. I used the chipboard stickers from Simple Stories Cozy Days, and then the foam stickers are Simple Stories Cozy Days as well. And then my title is Eat Pie and Give Thanks, and I'm using the Eat Pie from the foam stickers, well, because all of it is. The foam stickers, except for the ampersand, is American Crafts Astro stickers. And that's what I used for my layout. I'm trying to think what else, and then I set it all up because my kitchen is now big enough. I never do this where I rented, but my house now that I bought, the kitchen is big enough where I was able to organize it on the kitchen counter as like buffet style. So you just got in line and went through the line. And then I don't have a dining room table yet, and I don't even really have one for my breakfast nook. There's a round table but no chairs. That's what we had at the rental. I just used the chairs from my patio table for that table. I know it's pretty pathetic, but hopefully soon I can save enough to get actual tables and stuff. Anyway, so that completes my layout, and when I have more time, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.